Hey there! Today we're going to be talking a little bit more about addition and using our counting cubes. We're going to be connecting the cubes to model some addition problems. It's really important today that you use cubes as opposed to marbles or something else, because as we move forward, we're actually going to be using the cubes in groups to show some other harder types of addition. Let's get
Miss
started.
Minion and Mr. Frigeau are bringing lunches for all the teachers. Miss Minion brings 3 bags of lunches. I'm going to take 3 cubes and connect them. 1, 2, 3. See how they snap together? Those are going to be the 3 lunches Miss Minion brings. Then Mr. Frigeau brings 4 lunches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to snap those cubes together to show the lunches Mr. Frigeau brings. There are 3 lunches that Miss Minion brought and 4 lunches Mr. Frigeau bought. Let's start by writing that in our number sentence. 3 lunches Miss Minion brought, and I'm going to draw 3 connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3. And then there's the 4 lunches Mr. Frigeau brought, plus 4. And I'll draw 4 connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to figure out how many lunches we have in all. How many it equals. 3 plus 4 is what? We can do that by connecting all the cubes together like this. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in all. And I can draw 7 cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's another strategy you could use to solve this problem other than cubes? You can say, I could. Yeah, maybe you could draw a picture. Or maybe you could count on your fingers. Let's draw a picture. Here are 3 lunches. I'm going to draw kind of like their little bags. 1, 2, 3. Then Mr. Frigeau bought 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. What do the 3 and the 4 mean in this equation, in this number sentence? You can say the 3 and the 4 are they represent the 3 lunches Miss Minion brought and the 4 lunches Mr. Frigeau brought. What does the 7 represent? You can say the 7 is for That's right. The 7 represents the 7 lunches we have in all. Miss Minion's lunches and Mr. Frigeau's lunches together. What does the plus sign mean? Yeah, that means joining or adding together. What does the equal sign mean? That's right. The equal sign means that it's the same on both sides. 3 and 4 is the same amount as 7. Today, I'm going to show you an equation. Your job is going to be to model it with the snapping cubes, joining them together, just like I did. We'll do the first one together, and then you'll do a few on your own. Here's the first one. 3 plus 2 equals how many? Let's model it with our cubes. First, I want you to do this with me. First, I want you to make a connecting line of cubes out of 3 cubes. Ready? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3. Does yours look like that? Draw it right above the 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, I want you to use your cubes to make a line, a snake of 2 cubes. 1, 2. Do it with me. Let's draw them. 1, 2. Now, this addition sign means we're putting them together. 3 plus 2. 3 and 2 together. So what we have to do is take our cubes and join them together. Now we have one big snake of cubes. How many cubes is it in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cubes in all. We can draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 2, when you put them together, is the same as having 5. Are you ready to try some on your own?
Today's math homework is La tarea de matemáticas de hoy es keep playing the video. I am going to show you some equations, some number sentences. Pause the video and model it with your cubes by connecting them together like I did. Then, finish the equation by writing how many cubes in all. When you are ready, press play to check your work. Sigue reproduciendo el video. Te voy a mostrar algunas ecuaciones, algunas oraciones numéricas. Pausa el video y modelalo con tus cubos conectándolos juntos, como hice yo. Luego, termina la ecuación escribiendo cuántos cubos hay en total. Cuando esté listo, presione reproducir para verificar su trabajo.
Here's the first one. 1 plus 8 equals how many? Start by making a snake of 1 cube and a snake of 8 cubes. You can draw pictures too. Then join them, add them together. See how many you have in all. Press pause while you do this. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Are you ready to check your work? Here is my snake of 1 cubes. Here is my snake of 8 cubes. I'm going to join them together. How many cubes do I have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cubes in all. Having 1 cube and 8 cubes put together is the same as having 9. Try to solve this one. Use your cubes. Start by making a snake of 4 cubes and a snake of 2 cubes. Then join them together to see how many you have in all. Are you ready to check your work? If not, keep the video paused. If you're ready, keep playing the video. Here's my snake of 4 cubes. Here's my snake of 2 cubes. When I put them together, when I join them, I have one big snake of cubes. How many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cubes in all. 4 and 2 together is the same as having 6. Try this one. Use your cubes to figure out how many cubes I have in all. Press pause while you do the work. Are you ready to check your work? I have a snake of 2 cubes and a snake of 6 cubes. What happens when I join them together? I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cubes in all. Let's do one the other way. I have 2 different snakes of cubes. Can you write a number sentence for me that shows how many cubes I have here, plus how many cubes I have here, and then shows me how many cubes I have in all when I join them together? Pause the video while you write your number sentence. Are you ready to check your work? I have 5 cubes in this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 in this line. How many cubes do I have in all? Well, if I join them together, I have a big snake. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 cubes in all.